Welcome to my channel. Today we discuss about rhododendron.
1. Scientific classification. Family Ericaceae. Genus Rhododendron. Notable species: Rhododendron arboreum tree rhododendron, Rhododendron campanulatum bell-shaped rhododendron, Rhododendron dalhousie Dahl's rhododendron. 2. Features and characteristics. Morphology: leaves evergreen, leathery, with a thick cuticle to minimize water loss. The leaves are typically alternate, elliptic to oblong, and can range from 5 to 20 cm in length. The abaxial lower surface is often covered with dense, rusty brown trichomes. Flowers: the inflorescences are dense, globular trusses composed of 10 to 30 flowers. Flower colors range from white to pink red or purple. The flowers are tubular or funnel shaped with 5 lobes and can be 2.5 to 5 cm long. Fruit: the fruit is a capsule containing numerous small seeds that are dispersed by wind. Ecology and habitat. Climate: Himalayan rhododendrons are adapted to temperate and subalpine climates, typically found at altitudes between 1500 to 3500 meters. They thrive in regions with cool temperatures, high humidity, and substantial annual rainfall, often exceeding 1200 mm. Soil: they grow best in acidic soils with a pH range of 4.5 to 6.0. The soil should be well drained and rich in organic matter, often found in forested or shrubby landscapes. Habitat: they are predominant in the montane and subalpine zones of the Himalayas. They are often found in forests of oak, pine, and fir where they form dense undergrowth. Their presence influences the composition and structure of the forest floor. 4. Significance. Ecological role. Soil stabilization: rhododendrons contribute to soil stability by reducing erosion through their extensive root systems. The fallen leaves form a layer of organic matter that helps retain soil moisture and prevents erosion. Biodiversity: they provide habitat and food for a variety of wildlife. The nectar of their flowers is an important food source for bees and birds, including the Himalayan honey. Cultural and economic value. Cultural importance: in Himalayan communities, rhododendrons hold cultural and religious significance. Their flowers are used in traditional festivals and rituals. Economic uses: the flowers of Rhododendron arboreum are used to produce rhododendron wine, which is consumed locally. Additionally, certain species have medicinal properties and are used in traditional medicine for treating ailments like fever and cough. 5. Unique adaptations. Foliage adaptations: the thick, leathery leaves with a dense layer of trichomes help the plant withstand cold temperatures and reduce water loss. This adaptation is crucial for surviving in high altitude environments with variable weather conditions. Reproductive adaptations: the dense inflorescences of rhododendrons attract specific pollinators. The tubular flowers are adapted to facilitate pollination by long-tongued insects and birds. This mutualistic relationship ensures effective cross-pollination. 6. Impact and conservation threats. Habitat loss: deforestation for agriculture and urban expansion threatens rhododendron habitats. Climate change: changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can impact rhododendron growth and flowering. Increased temperatures may alter their range and reduce the suitable habitat. Overharvesting: the collection of rhododendron flowers and parts for commercial use can lead to population declines if not managed sustainably. Conservation efforts. Protected areas efforts include establishing and enforcing protected areas to conserve natural habitats. Sustainable practices: promoting sustainable harvesting practices and cultivation in botanical gardens to preserve genetic diversity. Research: ongoing research into their ecology, biology, and 7. Conclusion. Himalayan rhododendrons are ecologically significant and culturally valued plants that play a crucial role in their mountainous habitats. Their ability to stabilize soil, provide habitat for wildlife, and adapt to harsh environmental conditions highlights their importance. However, they face considerable threats from habitat loss, climate change, and overharvesting. Effective conservation measures, including habitat protection, sustainable use practices, and further research, are essential to ensure the survival of these iconic plants and the ecosystems they support. Their unique adaptations and the role they play in both the environment and human culture make them a subject of considerable scientific and ecological interest. This detailed study provides an in-depth look into Himalayan rhododendrons, encompassing their scientific classification, ecological roles, and conservation status.